Good morning, my dear students. Welcome e-learning class. I am your SST teacher. So student, today we will do further exercise of lesson 1. This is me. This is your first lesson. This is me. So take out your SST notebook and let's start today's third exercise. This is your fill in the blanks. And you have to sharpen your pencil, take out your pencil, take out your SST notebook and book also. In your book you have this exercise, a exercise, so you can see in your book also. Fine. So take out your pencil, sharpen your pencil, and let's start today's classwork. Lesson number 1, exercise 3, fill in the blanks. So my dear student, today's date 24/3/2021 and day is Wednesday. This is your classwork. Lesson number 1, this is me. This is your lesson number 1 running, है ना. आपका first exercise complete हो गया. Second exercise, this is your third exercise, A exercise. Lesson number 1, this is me. This is your fill in the blanks. Fine. So you have to write in your social study classwork notebook with your beautiful handwriting. Number 1, I am dash. You have to write here your name and here your surname. Okay? You have to write here your name. Whatever your name, first letter is capital, and here your surname, first letter is capital. Fine. Number 2, I live in dash city. Which city you live? Prayagraj. You have to write here Prayagraj. And which country you have to live? In India. I live in India country, है ना. Our country name is India. So here you have to write Prayagraj and here you have to write India. Number 3, I have dash and dash. I have, whatever you have a brother, you have to write I have 2 brother, or and I have 1 sister, you have a 1 sister or 2 sister. Whatever you have to write brother and sister, how many brother you have and how many sister you have. You have to write it over here. Number 4, I live with my family. You live with your family or uncle or auntie, whatever, whichever you have to live. किसके साथ भी रहते हो आप, like नाना नानी के साथ रहते हो, दादा दादी के साथ रहते हो, अपनी family मम्मी पापा के साथ रहते हो. Whatever you have to write here in this blank. I live with my family, or I live with my uncle, I live with my brother and sister. Whatever you have, where you have to live, you have to write it over here. Number 5, my favorite food is. What is your favorite food? You have to write here which is your favorite food, like pizza, Maggi, chapati, rice, dal, whatever your favorite food, you have to write it over here. At last, number 6, my favorite sport is. Which is your favorite sports game? You have to write here. आपका जो भी favorite sports है आप यहाँ पे mention करोगे, isn't it? And at last, 7th number, I love to dash hobby. आपका जो भी hobby है, like reading, playing, singing, fighting, crying, whatever, you have to write here. Whatever your hobby, आपका जो भी favorite hobby, जो भी आप like करते हो, love करते हो, you have to write here your hobby. Fine. So these 7 points you have to write your SST classwork notebook with your beautiful handwriting and send it in your WhatsApp group. Fine. So my dear student, you have to complete your work. Exercise 3, lesson number 1, fill in the blanks with your beautiful handwriting and send your work with your WhatsApp group with your name and subject also. आप लोग अपना जब भी होमवर्क सेंड करते हो अपना नेम और सब्जेक्ट भी मेंशन किया करो, ताकि इजीली मैम को कंफर्म हो जाए कि हाँ ये आपका एसएसटी का वर्क है, ये आपका इंग्लिश का वर्क है, व्हाटएवर. फाइन. थैंक यू क्लास. You have to learn it also. आपको जो भी मैम क्लास वर्क करा रही है, you have to learn it. Fine. Your class test और क्या कहते हैं revision as are coming, so be prepared. Fine. Thank you class. Bye bye.